Hello there and greetings. This is the Jurassic World Rebirth Strike Attack INOSTRANCEVIA. Also, welcome back to Sarvat and Cypher's channel. Today we're going to be dealing with the Strike Attack INOSTRANCEVIA. I've heard of this creature before. I played back in the Dino Crisis 2. That was like in the late 90s or early 2000. It's an awesome game. This creature appeared over there. I'm glad Mattel made it already a figure. So it's pretty awesome. You just move the tail down, it opens up. Has two large tusks on its mouth, gigantic fangs, like a Smilodon. Has some nice scars right there. So since it doesn't have a variant yet, I bought at least another and another. I already opened one and I gave some distinction, some paints. Look at that, compared to the original. Nothing. Look at that. I gave some orange jaw right there. I gave some more painting on the right, on its front snout, and its lower jaw. I gave some faded orange, and its shoulder I gave some like a tribal brown right there. On its tail as well. On its left thigh, right thigh, compared to the original. Yeah. I was thinking about uncoloring the claws as well, but we'll see. I don't know, depends on my mood. There's the DNA scan. Pretty awesome figure. So I'll be keeping this 3 right here. There's no variant yet. It may look like a mammalian, reptilian creature thing. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's not a dinosaur. Alright guys, and of course today's July 1st, and you know what that means. Tomorrow is actually the premiere of the Jurassic World Rebirth movie already. Time went fast. Really fast. Alright guys. So this will be a quick short video. I decided to bring the Kaprosuchus out from Epic Evolution to compare it. This one has a feature. If you push the front 2 legs, it opens up. We'll compare the teeth. You can see the teeth of this Kaprosuchus is actually part of the jaw. See that? All of it? Unlike this INOSTRANCEVIA is totally different. It's another layer of rubber. See that? Another layer. It's actually better like this. Look how the... Whoops, where'd he go? There you go. See that? Compared to the Kaprosuchus, it's actually part of the sculpt, the snout. There you go. So yeah, nothing too fancy again. It'll be a quick video. Nice piece. One of my favorites now. We'll give this a rare. Okay guys. We'll see you again in the next video. Probably in the next 2 days. Take good care now, and we'll see you around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Very well.